Today I'm replacing the oil separator slash PCV valve on this 2008 Audi A4. It's this diaphragm is torn. It's drawing a bunch of suction on the crankcase, so why needs to be replaced. First you have to remove these. I remove this hose altogether, this here and then this end, and you can just pull it off the back and disconnect this one. It's a little bit more difficult to get to. You don't have good access to it where you can grab it with your hands very well. So I like to just take a pick and release all the tabs on it. This one's already damaged, but I think it'll still clip on. But so I'm going to remove that, push this back, and take those two fittings off and pull that hose right out of the way. Alright, with that released and pushed out of the way and this other hose just removed altogether, I like to take just a Torx on a handle. It's a T25, and release all of these top ones, all these two screws here and this one in the front. Leave the lower one till the end and then have a magnet on a stick around, and I like to take the magnet and have it like this while I'm loosening it, and then just grab it out from the top because it's kind of difficult to get and it's likely to just fall down into the where the intake manifold is. So it's kind of a good little safety measure. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright, here it is removed. Comes off pretty easy once you get all those screws out. Now you can just take a little seal pick and pick this seal out, push the new one in, tighten it up, and push the hoses on the same way you had them. So pretty easy to replace. Thanks.